Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the new Dior mini advent calendar. The full-size one has not officially released yet, but I will definitely update you once it's available. So make sure you follow me on my Instagram, A Heated Mess, and turn on notifications. But for now, we do have available, it's called the Le Mini 30 Montaigne Holiday 2023 Discovery Set, and it is very nice. This is a very high quality, very sturdy mini little advent calendar. I love the design. This is supposed to look like the flagship Dior, 30 Montaigne store. It's got the little windows in gold foil all the way around. It's got a little roof. And then it has this really cool Dior like metal plate on the front that opens up. This is actually very similar to the gift. This was the platinum welcome gift. I think I showed this in my last video, but it's another like mini advent calendar. This one opens up similar to their advent calendars from the past couple years. And inside it is 4 different versions of the J'adore and all the J'adore flankers. So this was the welcome gift once you reach the platinum status of their My Exclusive Loyalty Rewards program. And then I also have here the current gift when you reach the silver status. And it's this set. It's the Lucky perfumed soap. And then it's this very pretty Dior tray, which I love these trays. I like, well, this size I probably would just keep change, or you could use it as a jewelry tray. I use the larger ones to hold candles, but it's just such a nice welcome gift once you reach the silver status. These loyalty gifts change every quarter, I believe, or maybe it's every year, I'm not actually sure. And then your status resets also every year. So make sure you log into your Dior Beauty account so that it can track your rewards. And then before we get to the mini advent calendar, I just wanted to show you, this is the new Minaudier lipstick clutch. I get this every single year and I love the version they put out this year. First of all, I love the packaging. I love the white and gold. And the clutch this year, I showed this on my Instagram, and I actually went to a wedding this past weekend and I brought it to wear during the rehearsal. And then I was debating whether to use this for the wedding, but I used another bag. But this actually makes such a great bag. So it comes out here. Underneath you have the chain. So I'll show you what the chain looks like. Oh, I just noticed even the cardboard has the Dior cutout. But you have the chain here. It's a very nice gold plated chain. The material, it's a very nice solid feeling metal. It's pretty heavy, pretty hefty. It has the Dior Paris imprinted here. You have the logo, and it's kind of like, it's nice because it's a mixed metal. So this is, yellow gold, and then this looks like it's a silver. And I like that it has ridges here, so you're not getting smudges or fingerprints. And then on the side here, you have the CD logo that kind of sticks out, and that's where the chain clutch would clip on with the lobster clasp. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up. And inside you can see here that the mirror has this Dior logo in gold. And I also just noticed that this is actually a sticker. So you can see the sticker tab right here. It's a protective film. If you want to remove the Dior logo, just remove the protective sticker, and then it would just be a plain mirror. I actually don't mind it. I think it's pretty cool, but that's just the mirror. And then as for the lipstick, you have the full-size case here and 3 inserts. And actually, I believe this also has a lipstick inside. So yeah, this has the 999. It's their iconic red lipstick. And then you have 3 different full-size lipstick refills. Now you can actually remove this cardboard insert that holds the lipstick refills so that you then just have this Dior molding here. It has space to, you can keep a phone technically. You cannot keep a Pro Max, but if you have a smaller phone, or if you don't want to keep a phone in here, you can just keep whatever other odds and ends. And then your lipstick goes here. This closes up, and then this you can wear as a little evening bag or like a purse. You just hook the lobster clasp right there, and then you have yourself a handy dandy Dior evening bag. You can wear this as a shoulder bag. The chain is long enough to wear it as a crossbody if you want, but this is so cool. I love this size. This is just the perfect size. I like that it's a little bigger than the past couple years to wear as an actual purse. But that is the Dior Minaudier lipstick clutch for this holiday season. Okay, now going back to the mini advent calendar, when I purchased this, I used the code Dior Look 23 for this exclusive glam getaway set. I already own this because this was I think it was the platinum or silver gift for, you know, the loyalty program. This set was free with, I believe it was a $150 purchase. You get the pink luggage tag, the nail polish, and the lipstick. This was with the code Dior Look 23. But I believe it might be out of stock, but this comes back again. Make sure you follow me. Also, I post on my YouTube community tab whenever I have a new promo code. But if this is out, the Dior Look 23, you can also try Love Dior 23 or Complexion 23 for various other gifts. You can also use the code MAGIC23 with a $125 purchase. Or if you buy the Dior Riviera coffret, the code Riviera23 still works. I also got these beauty samples in this Dior little dust bag. I got the hand balm, the Dior Riviera perfume. And then because this order was over $100, I got to pick out a travel size deluxe mini. So I picked out the Amber Nuit from the Privé fragrances, and this is a very decent size. Okay, now finally getting it back to the mini advent calendar. By the way, this was the box that it comes in, just a very plain box. It says Les Mini 30 Montaigne Discovery Set, the Iconics Discovery Set. This opens up. I love these mini advent calendars because the door is very sturdy. The overall packaging is very sturdy. This is actually thicker, and I think it's more well-made than the full-size advent calendars. But let's go ahead and start. So you get 4 iconic deluxe samples. Okay, we'll start with the top here. Oh, it's a drawer. Oh my God, even better. I love that. It's a little drawer. That is so cute. Okay, so it's Dior tissue paper. Okay. So the top little drawer, we have a deluxe mini of the Miss Dior Blooming Bouquet. Of all the Miss Dior fragrances, Blooming Bouquet is one of my favorites. I think Rose and Roses is my absolute favorite just because I love rose fragrances. But you get a little mini, and it even has the new packaging with that little glittery silver ribbon. Very nice, pretty floral. On the left side here, we have in this drawer, and this is the J'adore Eau de Parfum. I love the J'adore. I love all their flankers. Their newest one is the J'adore L'Or. It's the sweetest. I think that one was my favorite. Or J'adore Doe in the white bottle. But very nice classic J'adore fragrance mini. In this bottom drawer, we have something, a lipstick. And I'm gonna assume this is the lipstick in the 999 because I love that color. Yes, this is the Rouge 999 lipstick, the very classic red shade. Very pretty. Even the mini has the Dior little logo emblazoned on there. I need to wear more red lipsticks, okay? Over here on the right, we have another, oh, okay. This is skincare. This is from their Prestige skincare. This is the Dior Prestige Le Microhuile de Rose Advanced Serum. This is such a nice serum. It just looks so pretty. I love this scent. I love how hydrated and smooth my skin feels when I use this. I can get by for a while on this sample size. I don't think I've ever actually purchased the full size because this goes such a long way. I bring this with me when I travel. They don't sell this travel size. The full size is very pricey, so I like that they include this very generous. This is a 10 ml of the Dior Prestige Le Microhuile de Rose Advanced Serum. All right, guys, that was just my latest Dior haul and their new mini advent calendar unboxing. Again, I love their new Minaudier lipstick clutch. This is such an actual wearable size. It fits a phone. As you reach the exclusive loyalty tiers in the Dior My Exclusive Loyalty Rewards program, you get to receive these cool gifts like this mini perfume soap and tray. You have the J'adore little other mini advent calendar. And then this gift again was with, I believe, Dior 23, but I will definitely let you know if there are any other new codes. Let me know what you guys think of the mini advent calendar. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye.